Okay, it's time to place back the...
Yeah.
Remove the thing there.
Okay.
There's
I just
two.
need to clean this a bit low.
Yeah, alright. That's just the two bolts there from the thing. And then down here...
I just need to clean that.
Down here is at the other side, so it's in the window.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is that there? That's your new...
That's our new glass.
There's still some...
Tempered safety glass, yeah? That's the one.
That's the one.
Yeah, they put those two in.
Yeah. I think they salvaged too.
But I tied the other one around there and they didn't do that.
Yeah.
And they didn't put it right where it belongs. I tied it around there, the dollars.
Yeah, it's alright. So now
So
you're gonna remove the nuts here to make it easy for you.
Yep.
Yep, that's good. Da-dun, da-dun.
I only put them here so.
Okay.
Right now.
Can you carry that or no?
What's that? Yeah.
Is it light?
Yeah. Sort of.
Sort of. So it's time to put back in that thing there. Okay.
Bugger. Okay.
Okay.
And now it's a bit heavier. It's got the glass in it.
Yeah.
Okay. You need to be ready to tuck that away and help me if I start to fall over.
This one? Okay.
No.
What?
Chuck that away and if I start to fall over with the glass.
Ah, okay.
Did you turn that away?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So that's there. Okay. Now, can you see?
Which way?
Oh, darling, the normal way, clockwise. The same as the clock works. Oh, Jesus.
Okay. Okay. Oh my gulay.
Sorry. Oh, it's gone under the tractor, is it?
Yeah.
Gone under the tractor.
Which way I did before?
God, love. Every clock in the world goes
I don't have a clock.
Oh, you got... No, wrong way, love. No, it's not going.
Huh?
Oh.
Yeah, you need to push.
Yeah,
push
wait a minute.
This way.
Right.
Down, down.
Oh.
Push it.
Is it going in?
What are you doing?
Oh, love, just a minute. I can't hold it like that.
Wait.
Don't take that one. Eh? Yeah. All right, come on. Just do it.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Jesus. Okay, let me up.
Okay.
I can't
Move
see.
in
Okay,
like
right.
that. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, hand tight.
Well, what happened here? Oops. Oh, gee. Oh, for fuck's sake. And where is it binding? Shit.
What?
Just see if that's okay. No, we're scraping on the bottom, so I've got to jack it up. But anyway, make sure we're on the right track, you know. Oh, they got a long way to go, have they? Oh, that's why it was. It was hanging. I thought they were screwed right in, like hand tight, you know. That's why they were hanging. Oh shit! Fuck me dead.
Need to go inside.
What is that? Oh yeah. Oh shit! I want the hand. Right. Oh, it's.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, and oh shit.
Okay,
Oh,
now
did
you
it
have a
fall?
door.
No, wait there, we've still got the top loose. Jumping the gun.
I just want to finish the video.
Okay. Oh. Let's just see how that goes. Okay.
Ding ding!
Open sesame. Oh, still got my name on it.